This time I was looking for the replacement battery for the Avid Power, since the Amazon website doesn't sell anything like the big size battery. So I couldn't find these. I had to do the research and I found out I can get the hyper tough charge battery. But this battery is gonna be completely compatible. The only thing you need to change is these two plastic pins. You need to just cut them so these impact can take the battery. The rest of the thing is completely same thing. This is great, completely compatible. I'm putting hyper tough battery on avid power and is completely working, and this is the strongest one because it is bigger than the previous model. Thank you so much.